So we're going to Olivia and her sister's farm. It's like here in this like village. We had to drive about 10 minutes away. We're walking. We just have to go up this road. I'll update you in a little bit. But pretty. So this here on the right is cocoa beans. So this is, they farm it and then it comes out white. It's like a yellowish fruit and it comes out white, like the beans or whatever. And then they lay them out here and they dry them and they stink. And then that's how we get cocoa. Just kind of Olivia and her sister, they've put on their farm clothes. They had like a wardrobe over there full of like their farm clothes, which are just like what we would use for painting or working in the garden. Just clothes you don't care getting dirty. And then Laura's got the Michael or the Jason Voorhees Friday the 13th cutlass. Or machete, what they call it, cutlass here.
Oh! It was coming towards me. Oh, I almost got my head chopped off by that thing. Hi, little kids. Yes. She needs to lose all the weight. Mm-hmm. Hey, ma honey and no. Hey. Pacho ye tonsio. Ma, musika asa. Do you have money, babe? Is it a small money? Atadre. Oh, 5 CDs. Atadre ne saying. I'm trying to buy tiger knot. You don't have like 1 CD. That's it. Aqua si pawa ine bra. Me touch. Mobile. Me touch 3. Hey, me touch 4. Hey, inte. Ana, ma mobile atadre. Bacho iba ako kan no monche ba ako. That's it. Oh yeah, very nice to see me. That's it. Zach, better ba ako. Of course, you want to the very recording. Yeah. Oh, yeah. She don't call me phone. I recording it. This is now, mama. All right, we. Over sign it. Try to not rebut. I'm almost done with mine. I didn't plan to go to the farm, so I'm wearing my Lululemon leggings.
You literally said bring some long stuff because you might go to the farm.
I know, but I have black leggings or purple leggings or something.
I could have worn my other sweats.
That's true. I brought sweats, but I was worried it's gonna get hot as frick. Yeah. I'll just be careful not to get any juices on them.
Yeah?
Yep. You can get some if you want, but we have some at our farm. So pretty.
The rest of mine,
No. Maybe when I'm done with mine. It has a little taste.
Usually they're juicy. Not very juicy.
Yeah, this is the tick tree. This is how they make like poles. And books. They make books out of this.
Because it's soft.
Cocoa.
How many snakes do you think will feed the Really?
Have you all? Yeah, bear foam. Plantain.
Go to the top. Cut it. Yes. But you say it in our language.
My back is foam. So that says Yantoyabo. There be metal trashing to 1 year. I coca. Yeah. That's on the video. Better thing. I feel like I see what Jennifer. It's not delete me TikTok now than me.
Oh, so big Josh. Oh, that code the Atlas. I look like
pretend you're cutting stuff on the road. One time I'm in Konami record them weights. Will be to tie yesterday. Honey. I know shit. My brother's very ready to get on. Yeah, for a bepo, Tobo, I say. Yeah, for a bepo. Anna Percy, I call me the cat. We went running this morning. Oh, about for a bobo, yeah, boy. Look how sweaty my man is. I don't know if you're flat on a mama said if you can say, hey, man, when you turn to the moon. Ah. So, where man? Some say.
Say, yeah.
Ah.
My name for Jiboto Nisi. Oh, Munyami uncle. Wow. And a mama and what about a post?
Tia.
And then to me, you.
I know you don't have. I was recording. Hey, also recording. I'm recording. Now, who is that? Recording. I'm going
Zalu. My number na is chapter 2034.
This is my mom's shirt.
It's nice.
They were gonna bring you a girly top, but this one works better, right?
Okay, I like girly tops. Now I look like Chucky. Break the tree.
Yeah, that'll be so nice.
So it's made.
I was here, so video anymore. What is it called? My people have a farm.
One FM. Capina. Taking anything.
I want Capina. Now.
Don't worry, it'll make you viral.
I know, I'm excited. Every time they record, we get so many likes. I wish somebody was recording them too.
Ben, think like Bob. Bob Marley.
Yeah. I wish they had someone recording them so we could do it behind the scene.
see that thing? So they come and you follow them. The number of socks.
They do this to sharpen the color.
Where are you? You put to the sea.
They said I can throw this away because it'll just fertilizer.
Small one.
It's a chubby and in a tree. So
Wait, so cutting the whole tree down?
Yeah. Tell the bear about
you hit it first so the tree doesn't break.
You hold it like this, then you touch a little bit. Here.
So yeah, you do that so it does that.
So the tree only makes one thing of plantain.
If you give baby seed, like this one.
These are the plants.
After that, that's like this one. Like this one.
Oh, okay.
So they will be germinating small ones along them. So as we cut this one, you make room for these small ones. And then you cut it.
Also to chum
Oh, bunion.
we use this one to brush.
I'll just hit it.
Yeah. So you cut it. You pretty much cut it.
Cut the tree down.
You don't cut
Hold.
it down
Come.
now.
All the way.
Opposite.
Cut it small.
So now you pull it.
And then you have to cut.
And now I cut
Ma.
it off.
Yeah.
No.
Cut taller all the way up.
Cut the neck.
Oh.
Like where the branches start from.
Right here.
Where your hands is.
Here.
Yeah, go back to small hand. That place cut. Good. And now you cut it from.
You hold it before cutting so that it will not fall down.
You tell me after I cut it.
He's not a good
I
director.
cut here or
Yeah.
then here?
Let it go top a little bit. Yeah.
This one you are not using because this one we talk and show you too much. The next one we are not
And then I cut
talking.
the
You
tree,
do by
right?
yourself.
Yes.
Like here.
Yes.
Yeah.
This one is also complicated where it's hiding.
Mm.
Man, which are you doing now?
Be careful.
Don't cut that little baby.
Even your hands. That's not concern.
Yeah, it's the tree. It's just collecting it.
Leave it.
I should leave it.
Yeah.
There's so many ants. Holy hell.
I know. Careful. They're gonna get in your pants.
Ah.
That's very nice.
Those spiders are huge. Dude, this looks like an avatar. You know Avatar, the movie. It looks like the braid that goes over the head.
That's a jumping spider. That's arrange it well.
Zach, you can keep your cutlass down.
Where should I pass?
Storage full.
Esoko asawa, esoko. Akwesimma me line mu mpesa. Slow down, slow down. You are missing. Moko ntama meja mochidi. You guys should slow down a bit. I need to catch up. You know that the camera turns slowly.
You know you can control the camera.
No, I don't know.
So much food and they're not even done.
They sell it. Yeah. They have their cooking pots. So this is where they cook. They rest and eat. Yeah. So this is the cocoa farm. We also have a rice farm here. That's so incredible. Even though we are in the dry season, that's the Hamatan season, but this rice still looks green. They still look green, very, very green. Cocoa there. Maybe you can climb a bit, so. More.
You have to twist it. It looks like it's falling. Then it's gonna, because you know, I'm something. Because I be one in Kumu, no better what. I be one in what. So no, I'm something.
Abra ibedidi.
Say yellow. Yeah, you twist it like that. Ah, thank you.
You okay? I'll catch you. Princess.
And so ever could be a can
It's
I keep getting taller. I Oh wow.
Okay. You should have. Okay, so you want to you help your sister get it.
Oh, that was close though.
Yeah, just that it's heavy.
Yes, it's way too big.
That's how good you naka.
It's too sunny, I can't see.
Yeah, Zach was saying same.
This is what it looks like.
My mom and her siblings are arguing about who gets shotgun on this thing.
So,
You're arguing who gets shotgun. She's not going anywhere.
yep, they wanted me to ride it, but I was like, nah, you guys
She
work
offered
hard,
it
so
to
you
you, but now
guys.
she's not letting anyone else sit there.
I don't know. So, that's how they do it.